Thank you for recording me.
Come on! So like I said before our camera cut off, this is the finishing product of the jello. This is jiggly. Oh, guys, thank you. Hezekiah guys put stuff in his foot, so that's why you guys hear him yelling in the back. Help! YouTube! Hezekiah, just take the thing out. It's small! Well, soak it in some water or something. I got my plate right here with some jello. Ooh, this is so jiggly, guys. This is like jiggly. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
Guys, look inside of it.
Look how jiggly this looks, y'all.
Jiggly.
Alright, I'm going to taste it.
They just say you taste it.
Really good.
Taste it again.
It's good. It's good.
Let's take a look at that.
So we got our jiggly. When you shake it, it jiggles.
Jiggly, yes!
Come here. So like I said before, it's kind of time to warm up. Gotta get the rest of the jello on Shara's plate.
I'm gonna try it, and Zion's gonna be videotaping me. Like I'm the one videotaping her, right?
Yep.
I don't know why the people don't say who is videotaping people. And Zion, you 10 years, yo, she 11 years old. I'm 6 years old. My brother, 13.
We got Shara's plate of jello.
I got.
Shara, you ready to taste the jello?
Yep.
Okay.
Give me a spoon.
Shara got her plate and she's gonna try it. How does it taste to you, Shara?
Frozen. Strawberry, good. Guys, is your like frozen strawberry? Calm down.
If you guys put some fruit inside your stuff, you guys have to drain the fruit well. What are you doing?
Backing up, yeah, you got big.
Yes, y'all. So if y'all think about putting some fruit inside your stuff, stop backing up. Think about putting some fruit inside your stuff. Y'all going to have to. You're gonna have to drain the fruit because if the fruit is not drained, it's gonna mess up your stuff. Like,
Are you really pouring a lot for Hezekiah?
he's 13 and he's growing.
He ain't grown.
I said he's growing. He's still crying because of his splinter.
Oh, Zai, you want me to stop the video?
No, it's okay. So we got Hezekiah's jello right here.
I want more jello!
That's mine? Yes. You're 13, so you get the most. Well, you're 13. You clean dishes tonight. Because I cleaned them yesterday night. That's how it goes.
Yeah, look at mine, yo.
Ain't no more for
Jiggly just like
She
it.
said she only want a little bit.
Look at it.
Any more for mommy?
Oh, look
That's
at
what she
it.
want now. Jiggle, jiggle. You know how they go. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. What?
Jiggle, jiggle, pop. Pop my hips like a rap.
Or it's wiggle, wiggle. Or it's wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do, 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 do. Yeah, wiggle, wiggle too much now. That's just old. That whole song is old. Jay Cinderella is never old. Hey, Bruno Mars. Strawberries. You so ugly. Strawberries. Ugly. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You stupid. Strawberries. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. Bye, guys.